Hey everybody, this is going to be a really quick video. I have this old pair of Jarbeck pliers and I'm trying to bend springs with it, but it just seems to not have a really good grip, so I've been debating over just buying a brand new pair. And I got this recommended tip I found on Facebook users group, and we're going to try it out. The person in the group recommended that you just micro etch the tips and then you're going to get a grip. So we're going to see what happens. I'm going to micro etch these tips right here, and we're going to go from there. Most labs happen to have a micro etcher. It's very important to micro etch bands and crowns. I have a video that you can see up in the corner here that if you want to take a look, show why I use a micro etcher. But I'm going to go ahead and micro etch this right now. Okay, a couple minutes ago, I just bent this little S-loop, and I was having problems because it just kept slipping and slipping and slipping. So now I'm going to bend one for the other side, and that's when I came to the conclusion that I think it's time to buy a new set of pliers. But I'm going to try it on the other side, and let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and use my pliers and bend another S-spring on this side, and let's see what happens. Alright, that's super cool because it has a very firm grip. At this point it was slipping all over the place. And this is dead on, almost like it's a brand new pair of pliers. This might be the greatest tip I have recently. This just saved me about $300. Damn. That's crazy. All right, that was